tilted 4 degree like that. Look at carefully.
Yeah.
That is
away.
yeah, like that. Not like that. Because this pillar is not the choice of the master builder. It's the choice of the king, Shah Jahan. He needs that pillar for beauty and presentation. But this 4 minars is built by the Lahori architect that is in Pakistan now. Lahore. You know?
Lahore, yeah.
Lahore.
Okay.
Lahore in Pakistan. Lahore, the guy from Lahore, he built up the thing, the architect. And you know, in 15th and 14th century, there was massive earthquake happened in Lahore, but not here. But he predict the things. That's why they make the pillar like that. If anything going wrong, the thing's going to fall down like that. Okay? And this building is built by 20,000 people day and night for 22 years. Okay? And actually, this is built by the 5th Mughal emperor, Shah Jahan, for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. And in India, these two people, Shah Jahan and Mumtaz, they are the real couple. Because Shah Jahan married the Mumtaz only in the age of 19. And she died only in the age of 39. In the year 1631 by the miscarriage of the 14th child. That 14th one. And that time the lady knows she can't survive. That time he told his king, you take care of my rest of the children, and in my memory, you make one mausoleum. Nobody can make it in their life. That's why it's a wish of his wife, not him. Because in all over the world, the people think Shah Jahan spend the money, that's why it's a wish of him. No, it's wish of her. Because nowadays nobody can give his 22 years for his lost wife.
Yeah.
You know, Shah Jahan started the thing in 1631 and it's completed in 1653. 22 long years. Okay. Now, you know, if you are emotional, this building matter you. If you are not, it doesn't matter. Because in my opinion, it is the biggest symbol of love. And there is a good sentence for the Taj is that teardrop on the cheek of eternity. You know, that's why every emotions come from there. Okay. Yeah. Now look at the marble. This whole marble is come from Rajasthan. You know place Rajasthan?
Yeah.
Jaipur, Pink City? There.
Yeah.
From here, Rajasthan is 250 kilometers. But where you get this real marble is 400 kilometers. You just imagine in those centuries, there was no transportation. How they carry the things. But they took the help of camel, ox and elephant. But very slow. Without any good roads. Nowadays we have the tar road and cemented road. In those centuries there was a mud. If rain happen, is something going to happen wrong, the things going stuck down.
Yeah.
Okay, I am not give the full credit to Shah Jahan. We spend the money. I give the 80% for the workers in 20,000 people. Without their determination, without their hard work, it is not going to possible. Just imagine if they tons of tons marble there. If they carry the 10 meter, 20 meter long bricks, hard one, it's very difficult to carry.
Yeah.
For that, nowadays we have the trucks, you know?
Yes.
Big. In those centuries, we don't know. Okay? Now, that's why it's an incredible building in all over the world. Now, Taj Mahal is symmetrical. Mughals are famous for symmetry. Taj Mahal is symmetrical. You can see from the four sides. It's same, exactly. But look at the front gate. The people are going there, small chamber, dark one. That is the original gate to enter to see the tombs. Rest of the gate in the side, in the behind, they are just a replicas. There is no use of them. That is only for symmetry. Okay, just like you know, behind the trees, find the domes there.
Yeah.
They are the buildings, and they exactly look like gate, but they are not gate. From the top, if you are looking from the aerial view, when you see that this gate and the two building there, you think there is another 3 gate to come in this premises. But I told you that is only the 1 gate to enter in this premises. That is the good use of symmetry. You can't see from here. When we are going near, you can imagine the view, the architect. Yeah. But the purpose are different. This one is mosque.
Okay.
Mosque where the Muslim people prayed. Okay, and that is a Jamaat Khana. Jamaat Khana means the priests. Friday is the big day for Muslim.
Yeah.
And Shah Jahan used to came the priest. You know, they are imams.
Yeah.
They came here, they're going to stay there, gather there. After they're done, everything done there, they go then pay the prayer. But this building is mosque because it's facing Mecca. Okay. Because sometimes people become confused. They think that if the both buildings are symmetrically same, why that building is a mosque? Because it's facing Mecca.
Okay.
That's why it's a mosque. Because in our churches, we are in east, the cathedral, that's why, but the differ way. Symmetry, that's why the people can confuse. Okay. Now all of you look at the top metal part, the pinnacle in the main dome, the metal part, and the starting moon there is the symbol of Islamic, and the Mughals are Muslims. That's why. And the height of that, only the metal part, the height of the Taj.
Just
hold
this part.
That part is 10.5 meter.
Wow.
And it used to be gold, changed by the British governor in 1810. And the height of that metal part is more than that building behind you. You know, the arch
wow.
is more than that. From here, it's only look like 3 meter, 4 meter.
Yeah.
And you think I am lying, but you can see in the net, right down the pinnacle of the side open, the black and white pictures come because in 1810, when they're changing into the bronze, with the help of ropes, they pick some pictures. There are the pictures over there. When you look at the starting of the metal part, like this,
Uh-huh.
the very bottom,
Yeah.
it's the height of yours.
Wow.
That's why it comes 10.5 meter, more than 30 feet. The height of the Taj is 81 meter, like more than 248 feet. That's why in those centuries, India known as Golden Bird, because of the gold and everything. Actually, you know, the Mughal dynasty and the East India Company in 11th and 12th centuries, they are only here for trade, business. They are not here for conquerors. But they find the opportunity because somewhere we are the wealthy country, still now. But because of the corruption, everything going here and there.
Yeah.
You know, we are very good with the minerals, spices, agriculture. But in those centuries, because of the lack of awareness, with the lack of literacy, and you know the Hindu-Muslim things, that's why the
Yeah.
people take over the thing. You know Vasco da Gama,
Yeah.
the Portuguese?
Yes.
Portuguese, Vasco da Gama, the explorer. He also been to my place in Kerala. You're
Yes.
from Tamil Nadu?
Yes, I'm
no,
from
sir?
Tamil Nadu, yeah.
From here, it's very near.
Yeah.
Where they're living. He explored the, especially for the my place is famous for the spices.
Spices, yeah.
Especially for the black pepper. You use it in the egg in the morning. We know the black pepper in those centuries, our ancestors, but we don't know the value in the market. We only know to have it, you know. But when Vasco explored the black pepper in outside country, that spices become one of the most expensive spices in the world. After the Mughal, when East India Company become very powerful, they moved to my place. They took tons black pepper from there, and they done the business in England, 100 years as a barter system. You know, the things done by like dollars. You know, everything done by dollars. The business, everything.
Yeah.
The pounds is expensive. The euros are expensive, but all over the world, why the people dealing with the dollars? Because it is become policies. You know, the American done their thing. That's why same like the black pepper in those centuries. The
Oh, they
people
used
done
to-
with the business with the black pepper.
They
in
trade it.
England.
They traded
And
the black pepper.
trade. And if you are going there, if you find old freedom fighter in England, they are not spell black pepper. They spell black gold. Because in England, in same centuries, black pepper is more expensive than the diamond.
Wow.
Just imagine.